guys, welcome back to the Thrifty Farmhouse channel. I hope that you are enjoying this process as much as I am. It is definitely going to be a long and drawn out process because I do work so much, but I absolutely love it. This is really starting to turn into a home. It's starting to feel like somewhere that we want to spend our time instead of feeling like we need to come in with Lysol wipes. So I'm absolutely loving it. This fireplace is probably my favorite feature of the entire home. It is so homey, it's relaxing, it's inviting, and I absolutely love it. But today, what we are going to do is we're gonna get started in the kitchen. I've already started on the kitchen cabinets a little bit. We're painting the upper cabinets white, and we're gonna get them just that bright, airy, clean feeling. And I'm so excited for you guys to see it. I think it's gonna come out absolutely beautiful. So I've already started on the first coat, but I'm gonna come in today and do some trim work before I go into my office work. So today I'm gonna go in with a paintbrush, going around all the trim, fill in the spots, and then we're gonna get started on building doors, hopefully within the week. So I'm really excited. Let's get to work.
So I've got the hardware taken off of the cabinet door, the one and only door that they left on the top cabinet. So what I am going to do, I've already cleaned it. If you want to, you can rough sand it a little bit, get it a little smoother, but I'm totally skipping that step. So I've got gloves because I have fresh manicure and I don't want to ruin that. So I'm just going to start using a roller, a small roller. A foam roller works really best with this kind of paint, but I'm just using what I've got. The whole idea in this is to keep this kitchen renovation as cheap as possible. So I'm using what I have on hand. So just nice, thick, even coat. I'll have to do more than one coat. I've had to do a total of 3 or 4 coats on the top cabinet. You want to go through, make sure you're applying even pressure. You don't want to leave any lines. And then go out the other side. And this works the best if you do it outside. And even if you have a sprayer, that would be even better. But I don't. And it is cold and snowy. So I'm doing it here. Just try and fill in those little grooves and then smooth it out. It works good if you take, for the little grooves, the detail, I like to take a little paintbrush and just kind of smear it down in there. And then smooth it back out. All right, so I'll leave that like that. I'll let this dry for a while, and then I'll go back and do another coat just to make it all seamlessly white. Whenever you're working on top of a darker color like I have been, it really tends to leave a color barrier through. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you a little bit about what I'm talking about, if I can. So this is inside the cabinet. I don't know if you can really see, but through here there's this, you can see little blue streaks where I wasn't able to fully cover it. And if you look closely on here, you can see that. Now from a far away distance, you can't see it, but from up close and with a human eye, you can see it. Hello, hello. So we are back. We're starting to get everything cleaned out and bringing all of the furniture in. And it is starting to look a lot like Christmas. Just got to get a few more stockings, but this is where we are right now. I am loving this house right now. It is finally starting to feel like a home. Of course, there's still boxes and stuff we have to get rid of, but it is really starting to come together. I'm absolutely in love with it. The boys are loving this place, and so is Zeke. Yeah, hi, Bubby. Such a good dog. But we are in full swing. Hopefully here this week we're going to start replacing fans
chandeliers and doing a whole new texture to the ceiling. I'm not sure how well you can see that, but that awfulness is going to be gone soon. The new chandelier should be installed hopefully soon, as soon as we're done with the ceiling. But I'll show you what we've been working on. But this is where we're at with the kitchen. It already looks so different, so much more welcoming, so much more open. Hopefully I'll get to build the shaker cabinet doors here this week. And the blanket is still up where I was protecting the fridge, but doesn't that look so much better? I love it. Waiting on the doors to dry so we can do another coat. As you can see, there's still some discoloration, but we're getting there. But it looks so much better. I'll build some doors for these cabinets. And I love that the detail still shines through so well on this, even in poor lighting. So I'm excited. It's really starting to come together. Hi, he's a happy boy, happy boy. But thought I'd give you a little update. See you next time.